Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Tabitha and this is my classic happy planner that we're going to plan in today. And we're going to plan for the last week of 2021 and do a New Year's spread. I think I'm going to use the seasonal sticker book again. I know, I'm sorry, but also use your sticker books, right? They're like specifically made for those times, so we're using it. There's a lot of holidays in this time of the year. And I think I'm going to use florals because I noticed there were a lot of black and gold stickers, so that should accent that pretty well. So let's get started. I do need a bills to pay. I don't need any of the other ones, so we're going to white those out. And then I am going to add a habit tracker. Okay, and let's get started. Okay, so this like Happy New Year to you. Let's do that right in this box. And then I think I want to do some gold boxes coming out from that because I think that'll look nicely. Give it a little bit more functionality, but still have that design there. I guess I could really just like write there, but it's fine. I'm debating on if I should do 2 or 3. You know what? 3. Put that to the side. I want to use that. Those 2 hats. And maybe all these black and gold stars. And I think that's it from this section. Yeah, so we'll save that, but then we will also need to definitely go in here a lot. That is a good spot for that box. Okay, and feel like I want some checklists there, but it'll be gold right next to gold, so I don't want to do that. Okay, I have this checklist, which is like the stars. Like I said, this one, the seasonal sticker book has black and gold stars. So we might do that and just write in some stars. Okay, so that looks cute. Let's go through and see what kind of useful stuff we have. Some boxes, useful. Flowers, always needed. I have a lot of these like vertical ones, but I use mostly horizontal labels. This is cool. We might come back to that. That needs like some gold coming out of it. I think I need some gold flowers coming out of this. What I want is just a little bit more black. Okay, that's where we're gonna leave it. It's not like perfect, but I don't mind it. Yeah, we're gonna leave that too. I do think I want to, there's black flowers. I want to add some of those on the other side of the gold ones. Yeah, I have no plans so far. Because next week is Thanksgiving in real life, and I am planning New Year's. So, nothing, but I feel like I want to put these two like that. That's cute. And then just get a box. I wonder if we do this box up here. Yeah, I think that turned out how I wanted it to. I really like it. So let me know if you like it in the comments down below, or just hitting the like button and hit the little notification bell to get notified when I put up new videos. Oh, and the subscribe button. You can't hit the bell without hitting the subscribe button first. Thanks. That's all I got. Bye. Have a happy new year. See you back here in 2022.